Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to Bitcoin evening stream. Are you doing well? Hope you're doing well. So we're gonna chill with Bitcoin a little bit. I'm just looking at Cardano. We're gonna come back to Cardano. But DJ Crypto Noel said Ara is gonna go and Glimmer about to do the same setup. Look at Cardano trendline on 1 hour. So I was checking the Cardano trendline a little bit over here. And you know, it does look nice, it does look nice. I mean, look at this up here. It's back inside, you know, it had this double bottom up here. Right now it's breaking towards upside. So the only thing that Cardano right now needs to do, the only thing it needs to do is break up here. It's very, very close. Because if it goes up, it goes. If it goes down, it goes to retest the levels over here on the downside. And if it retests level, it cannot hold, it breaks down. But we are in bull market, so even if it goes down, it's gonna go up. We're gonna break it. Now retest the moving averages. Where are the moving averages Cardano right now? Yeah, it's above the moving average. But this is, sorry, this 15-minute time frame. But you know, 1 hourly time frame, it's still the same kind of, you know, deal. It is retesting up here. It's gonna go. Ron Adopter is in the chat. XRP starts to move. You sure about that? It's up 6%, so it's actually moving. It is actually moving. It is actually moving. I don't know how much it moves, but you know, it is moving. So it's good. It's good to see there is life in XRP as well. You know, we want, you know, there to be life in everything. Now, Pepe is up 56% inside the blue box. Am I gonna be right or wrong? I made a video today about XRP. The blue box. And the blue box got hit right now. So the big question is, do we see some kind of, you know, stoppage over here? It's gonna break the blue box right up here towards the upside. Now we do know the levels, and levels are important, and this right now is right now where it we sit right now. The trend line and stuff like that, right? The blue box. Let's see up here on the small time frames. Now this looks very, very bullish, like stupidly bullish, especially this, you know, up here, the first move up here, consolidate right now going up here towards the upside. So if it doesn't just drop towards downside over here, it's just gonna consolidate and break the blue box. This actually looks stupidly bullish. You know, maybe a little bit extend because 56%, you know, so maybe, just maybe, there's a little bit extension up here. Why is my face all the way up there? It should be like something like this over here. No, it's over here, like this. I think we are on the right path when it comes to that. But no, the daily is at 90, which is actually very high, regardless of the chart. 90 on the RSI is very, very high. The momentum just exploded towards the upside. I have really high doubts that it's gonna break the blue box up here. It looks good, but you know, will it break the blue box right now? I don't think so. The momentum up here is climbing towards upside. It does look very, very good, but I think it just might need some kind of, you know, chill out phase up here at the top, around the blue box, maybe a little pullback, maybe no pullback, and then towards the upside, but it needs to chill out a little bit. Don't you guys think? I think Pepe needs to chill out up here, maybe a little bit pullback, maybe something like this, and then right back up there again. But you know, it needs to chill out a little bit, just a little bit, before it goes again. Bitcoin, 4.58% today, insane moves, and it looks very, very good. Now there is no topping out pattern up here on the daily time frame, so this looks like it's gonna get into the blue box very, very soon, guys. This looks like it's gonna pick up into the blue box very, very soon. We're gonna see how this actually closes, because this is daily time frame over here. Now we still got 4 hours. We still got 4 hours and 42 minutes left. But this candle over here is a very, very bullish candle. So you can close up here towards the upside up here or something like that. That's gonna be even more explosive, you know, tomorrow. And maybe, you know, if we can close up here, you know, maybe this move is gonna go all the way above the blue box. You never know, you never know. But it does look nice, guys. It does look very, very nice. So we're gonna go a little bit small time frames over here. What you're gonna see over here, I just posted in the chat, because over here it kind of looks like it wants to dump, right? It kind of looked like it wants to. It had a big move, you know, consolidation up here, you know, pumped up here. Right now it's climbing inside this, you know, exhaustion pattern towards upside, and I already think it actually, you know, broke the exhaustion pattern towards downside. Let's go to a little bit small time frames up here. Let's remove the moving average so you can see this nicer. And I already think it already broke this exhaustion pattern. So see, there goes a line something like this over here. So he broke, they tried to climb up here, broke that again, and right now third time trying to get it back above that level. There is also the trend line over here that goes something like this right now. So it does look like it wants to do the move towards downside, but this really doesn't matter. This you know, 15-minute time frame, so you know, who cares about 50 minutes time frame. On the flip side, it is very important, because we want to know how this candle is gonna close, right? This candle is very, very important, guys. Very, very important. So we want to know how that candle is gonna close, where it's gonna go. You know, if we get some kind of, you know, doji down here, or you know, big dump or anything towards downside like that, like something unexpected happens, you know, we want to know. But right now, you know, it's just a big fat green candle, and it is very, very nice. So the target is still up here in the blue box. That's between, you know, 58.7 and 61.3. If you look at the previous blue box, like, we know targets on the dollar, guys. We know targets on the dollar. And if you look at previous box over here, look how nicely, first of all, the first move didn't come all the way towards the box, right? It came close, but not all the way towards the box. Then we had this, you know, consolidation phase over here, and then we tried to get into the box. You look here how nicely we got rejected by that on the dollar, right? We tried to, you know, weak inside a couple of times, but we closed every single time below those levels. And then we pulled back another time, consolidated up here, and then exploded all the way towards the top of the box. Look here, look here. This is so nice, right? Top of the box up here, top of the box. We still, you know, had these explosions, these wicks towards upside, but we closed inside the box, right? And look, this move towards downside on the dollar inside the box. So, you know, this is playing out very, very nicely. So the box is legit, guys. The box is very much legit over here. And look what happened after this. So after this move up here, when he failed to break the blue box, we knew what needed to be done. Let me just go a little bit back and clean these lines. We knew what needed to be done. We pulled back. We went down, we got everybody bearish, managed to get a whole bunch of long positions, you know, over here on the downside, managed to get a whole bunch of bulls to, you know, enter the position with us, and then, you know, it exploded towards the upside. Look here, look how nicely, slowly climbing up here, slowly climbing up here, slowly climbing, and then exploding through the blue box. See here how nicely, you know, just hit the blue box, pull back a little bit, and an entire way above the blue box, retest that blue box, broke it, and went through to the other side. And right now, this is where we are at, right? Right now, you know, explode towards upside. Right now, we are pumping even more towards the next blue box. So it's gonna play the same way as the previous blue box, where we hit, you know, some kind of heights over here at, you know, 57k levels up here, failed to break that, and do something like this, and try to break it up here, fail that, and then again go and break that some kind of later point. I don't know, but could this be the top over here? No, technically it could, like, we're not gonna say it cannot be the top, but you know, technically this can be actually the top right over here. But and if you look at a 1 hourly time frame, like, volume definitely goes down over here after these big moves towards upside, but volume should go down during the you can see up here actually there was actually a rise in the volume up here and tried to break towards upside. This is actually a failure to actually go all the way into the box. So people are shorting definitely these levels over here right now, and right now the big question is where it's going to break towards upside. Let's see down here, you know, we can definitely draw a trend line over here, but you know, the trend line looks kind of broken. Let me not remove everything. Let's go to the small time frames up here. So what we have over here right now is the trend line up here. I don't know what the trend line should be. Something like this up here, give or take. Yeah, this looks legit though. This looks legit. And maybe even up here, you know, these levels over here, and then you pick up everything, and then you have this move up here. Yeah, it looks nice. So it does look like over here, like this wants to actually break towards the downside over here right now. So there is this, you know, there should be, the trend line should actually be pulled like this. There we go. So if you do break right now, we can definitely go to 56.5 or something like that. That's another, how much down is that? That's like 0.65 towards downside. But as long as we don't break this line over here and these, you know, these bottoms over here towards downside right now, I think we're good. Like, oh, you know, we are still very much bullish, so this can definitely, you know, continue going towards the upside. Cardano is gone. What do you mean Cardano is gone? So let's check out Cardano. So the building, what's up? How you doing, man? Cardano is gone. Look, Cardano trend line on 1 hour, bro. Yeah, let's check that out. 1 hour. So this is 50 minutes. This is 1 hour up here. It does look nice, nice, nice. Now this is the resistance on the 1 hourly time frame, 0.62. Now it's not yet above that. And you can technically say that this line up here, the trend line, it should not go, although this over here looks very, very nice. It should go, you know, to pick up everything, it should go something like this over here. And then this is a breakdown of that trend or the consolidation pattern. Breakdown, try to push it down, failed that, held the support up here, held the support, went a little bit long down, and then went right back inside this, you know, triangle up here. So over here the bulls actually managed to get you know, pick up liquidity, get their positions. So right now they're trying to push the price towards upside. Also this week towards upside is actually very, very bullish. So what we are waiting right now for Cardano to do is to close above these levels over here, close above the previous high up here, and then maybe then it's gonna pump like crazy. But this is 1 hourly time frame, so you know, a little bit too early to say anything about that. Danny, how you doing, man? What's up? What's up? So we know Bitcoin is doing okay-ish right now. It's consolidating up here at the top, and it's not dropping below the support levels. Still got a, you know, bullish engulfing candle, bullish engulfing candle. I know this is a little bit, you know, too hard to see, so I'm gonna do it like this over here. You can see up here, you know, a small move down, bullish engulfing candle, small move down, bullish engulfing candle. So you got two of these bullish engulfing candles. So this looks to me like it actually wants to go. And the last time we had these, you know, bullish engulfing candles, I think that was on the daily time frame. Let me go up, see, yeah, over here you can also see the bullishness in the chart, right? So over here, let me just zoom very, very nicely so you can see this over here. There was you know, bullish engulfing candle. So we dumped on bullish engulfing candle, we dumped on higher than the previous low, higher low over here, and then bullish engulfing candle higher than previous low, and then we over here pulled back a little bit because we failed to break towards the upside. They were just, you know, too much, but we pulled back a little bit up here, bullish engulfing candle again, and then again towards the upside. So these bullish engulfing candles, they do tend to indicate there is definitely bullishness in the charts. If that is the case, then right now what we can say over here with these bullish engulfing candles towards the upside up here, that there is bullishness in the chart. So if it does pull back, it's gonna be still buy the dip opportunity all the way until we get to the box, and then, you know, once we're in the box we can actually check out what's actually happening there. Hi everybody, hi Huawei, how you doing, man? What's up, how you doing? What are we gonna look at today? So that's Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin is doing okay. It's just chilling, guys. It's just chilling. And altcoins, you know, and it's very good that Ethereum, Bitcoin is chilling because it can give, you know, time for altcoins to do stuff. We are hitting the blue box on Ethereum, guys. The blue box on Ethereum is getting hit. Fantastic. That's good, man. The blue box, we are tapping the blue box on Ethereum, guys. Yes, we are. And over here there was first the trend line up here. This is you know, small time frames, but let's do that on small time frames. Up here is a breakdown up here, which created definitely this line over here, give or take. But this trend over here is still full intact. Can we do the line up here? Because something like this up here. Expanding musical instrument. Maybe some kind of expanding musical instrument. Well, right now we are getting a more and more volatility up here. before move down or move up. Now, expanding musical instruments is a bearish pattern. This thing often breaks towards downside, but never underestimate the bull market, guys. Don't underestimate the move. Thailand, cheaper larter. How you doing, man? So even Ethereum is doing well right now. It's coming very close to our target at 3.3. Did it hit 3.3? 3288. I said 3.3 is the target, give or take. Now it is still in that area up there in the blue box, and over here you also see that the blue box down here played out very nicely. So how can we know, man? Look at this. This very nice. Hit the blue box, pull back from the blue box over here, tap the pull box, pull back, then right above the blue box, held it that as support, and then continue towards upside. So blue boxes are legit, guys. The blue boxes are legit. I just popped on. Have you looked at XRP? Now, I just took a glance on the XRP because people are a little bit excited that XRP is pumping 7%. Pepe is up 57%, and there is not so much excitement, but XRP pumps 7% and everybody goes, thinking that we are, stupidly moon boys and stuff like that. Now, XRP is doing 5, unfortunately still, in these very low. I don't know if this is unfortunate or fortunate, because, eventually you want XRP to pump, but, it's unfortunate that it's, right now that XRP is down here. If you already bought, right? It doesn't matter whether you bought me. If you bought down here, it's unfortunate because it's not up there, right? On the other hand, if you didn't buy, then it's still fortunate. Like, it's unfortunate that it's here because if you bought, it's fortunate that it's here if you didn't buy, because right now you still have a chance to buy. That's what I'm trying to say. Fortunate, unfortunate, right? So it depends on how you look at it, whether you own or don't own, XRP. Long Penge 100x, Doge 200x, Bong 120, Turbo 50, Other 200, Chili's 200. You crazy, man, you crazy. No way. So this looks nice. Yeah, I made a video on XRP talking about a little bit about levels and stuff like that. The blue box is legit, guys. But right now it's not, it's not the video time. So I can tell you what I think about XRP. I don't want to tell you what I think about XRP. I think it's gonna go above 0.7. That I can tell you. It's gonna go above 47 up here, 0.7. I can tell you that it's gonna go above 0.7, and there is a very good chance it's gonna hit 1.11. Will it hit 1.6? Will it go higher than that? That depends to be seen, guys. That depends to be seen. But right now, I'm just looking at this 0.7 level, breaking that, getting to the top of the channel, breaking that and getting into the box. The box is at 118. Sorry, XRP army, there are faster horses in the crypto space, like Pepe. I don't know. I did buy some, a large market cap altcoins, and I kind of regret that decision. On the other hand, most of my portfolio is not a large caps, because the way I see it, like, if I had a couple of $1 million, I need to invest that something, to get, 2-3x return, something like that, I'd buy like, BNB and Bitcoin and Ethereum and all of these, big coins at the top. Right? Because, you're gonna get, a couple of X's here and there, but you already have money, so you just wanna, be on the safe side, right? But if I had, didn't have that much money, I would be buying, low cap altcoins, like whatever low cap means to you, like you figure out how much you need, 10x, 20x. If you need 1000x, then it's, it's meme coins, and then you have to be one of the first guys to buy when it's below, 1 million market cap, something like that, even something like, 57,000 market cap or something like that, like really shady stuff. And these things get rug pulled all the time, so it's, a chance of luck. But, there is that. But when it comes to XRP, a huge market cap coin, can it do, whatever people think it can? You can see up here, I got even a 3.1 target up here. But, just because we got target doesn't mean we're gonna get there. But, I'm looking at least, this 118. I'm looking at this blue box, and we're gonna see, after that, whether we actually can manage to break the blue box or not. So, there is that. Anything else you guys want me to look at in the chat? The green guys. By the way, guys, if you notice, only the green guys are in the chat. Those are members. They are part of the TA fans club, our community here on the channel. We do live streams where they get to ask questions. We have you know, TA fans club videos. We have a nice Telegram channel. If you want to be part of the TA fans club, get a green name, do the emojis, you know, join the community. You're welcome to do so. And also as a present, like we did in the previous bull market, once you join, you get to pick the coin. You get to pick the coin. So, Pepe did very, very nicely towards the upside up here. Let's go back to Pepe up here. But there are other coins right now that are doing well. So Pepe is up, you know, 50%. Dogecoin is pumping 10% towards the upside over here right now. Dogecoin is up 10%. Shiba is up 11%. Bonk is up 12%. Baby Doge only 9%. Floki up 25%. So, you know, there is that. Elon, for whatever reason, is down by a bunch. I don't know even why I have Elon on my list, but you know, Bonk is up there, Shiba is there. Shiba is actually looking very, very nice over here. This bullish engulfing candle monthly time frame looks actually very, very nice. Dogecoin as well actually looks very, very nice over here. Looks like it might actually go. So this actually looks very good. Gala started pumping as well. And everything looks good, guys. Everything looks so good. But, you know, too much good might be bad. I don't know. I got wiped up on Pepe trade the other day. I put short. I got liquidated in seconds. Shorts are short-lived. You know what we say? Shorts are short-lived in the bull market. So in the bull market, wait for the pullback and long the pullback, you know, because the pullbacks are gonna be quick and the gains are gonna be insane. But you know, you still wanna, you know, play against the market and short, and everybody gets wrecked. So, you know, my advice for, you know, you trader guys, you degens, just because there is a short to be taken, it's very, very risky because every single support level can hold, right? So, you know, you get in a trade, you see that going, you know, your direction, short trade, you take profits, you know, quickly, you know, that's what I'm saying. Oh man, I forgot about Floki. When memes are pumping, pullback is probable. Yeah, might be that case, but right now the memes are definitely pumping, you know, they're not pumping like, you know, 2000%, but, you know, 50% of Pepe and 10% of Dogecoin and Shiba, 25% of Floki, so maybe there are other, you know, other coins that are right now pumping as well. Nah. See up here now. Yeah, so maybe the other altcoins are pumping as well. What is happening with Link, guys? What is happening with Link? Like, Link over here pumped like big time out of the accumulation zone, consolidated, and they went another pump up here. Right now it's pulling back a little bit. I think it might actually just consolidate over here and then continue towards the upside. And you know what the Elliott wave guys are gonna do? They're gonna be like 1 wave, 2 wave, 3 wave, 4 wave, 5 wave. But they're gonna be like, yeah, but this second wave, this third wave, no, it cannot be this short. It has to be like up here. So this is all entire thing is third wave. Then you get a 4th wave, and then you get a 5th wave up here towards upside, right? So we are only in the 3rd wave right now because this cannot be, you know, the 3rd wave. This has to go more towards upside. But then other guys gonna be like, no, this is the wave 1, this is the wave 2, this over here is the wave 3, and this is the, you know, wave 4, and right now this is top because this is right now the wave 5, right? So, you know, depends on which side you are, whether you are bullish or bearish. You can just put, you know, your, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5s, whatever you want, and it's gonna be fine. The Elliott waves, guys. But let's go over here and look at right now. I mean, it is climbing nice, like you cannot deny it. Like 10 moving average, 20, 50 moving average, went up here sideways, hit this 10 moving average, pumped up a little bit, consolidating. Let's look at some kind of yeah, there is also no divergences on the chart. Everything looks nice and dandy. Like over here there is a little bit volume going. This is actually a little bit worrying. This over here is actually a little bit worrying. So it needs to, right now the momentum needs to rise again. So I want to see some kind of movement up here, because if this continues over here, it just might be that, you know, it pulls back over here a little bit. But the momentum is going a little bit towards downside after this move. But this is pullback, so it should go down. It's still not. It should definitely. Let's see up here. No, this is actually not that good. The momentum loss up here is actually not good. So you can see up here that we got a big momentum over here on the move, and then we got a lower momentum on the next move up here. It's not good. And then this is started doing this over here, and then eventually, you know, breaks down. So this might actually pull back a little bit. Can it pull back into the moving averages again? We're gonna check that out. So suddenly I become savvy, talking about bearishness, talking about pullbacks. How is that gonna play out? EOS is not doing anything, guys. EOS is literally not doing anything. And the other coins that's, you know, I remember when everybody was talking about Litecoin. I mean, it is down here by a bunch. It's literally not doing anything. It's just barely coming above the 10 moving average. Just barely coming above the 10 moving average. But, you know, we don't care about EOS. And there is Bitcoin Cash up here, which actually, you know, had a nice pump, 3x over here, 3 or 4x up here. 3x up here towards upside, pull back into the moving average right now, just consolidating right now, waiting to break this 50 moving average, this trend line over here, and then continue towards upside. But I think, you know, I'm not, you know, big fan of Bitcoin Cash or anything like that, but it is better than EOS. Like, what does EOS do even? Who cares about EOS? There was Litecoin. Isn't this funny, guys? Isn't this funny chart? You gotta laugh a little bit, right? I mean, it is funny. It is really, really funny. It is hugely funny, actually. It is hugely, hugely funny. Right, let's change this to... Can we change the settings of this over here? Symbol... Status line. How do we do this? Over here, yeah. Oh, okay, I forgot. Here and then candles. There we go. I think it's funny. A little bit funny. Maybe a little bit much funny. I don't know how much funny it is. It is funny though. It is very, very funny. So there we go. And this one over here. Let's... Why am I moving this thing over here on the side? There we go. And let's do it like this so it looks this kind of the same. I'm gonna put it against each other. It is funny, right? It is funny. You gotta laugh a little bit. You gotta have a little bit, you know, humor in daily life. It is very, very funny. Because I remember, you know, every time people are, how it, you know, Litecoin is the silver and, you know, Bitcoin is the gold, and this thing is gonna pump like crazy. And look at Bitcoin, man. Look at Bitcoin. Look. It is a little bit funny. No comment, guys. No comment. But it is a little bit funny. I think so. Anyways. Other coins that are doing well right now. Dent is doing okay-ish. It's pumping towards upside. I don't know how much he's gonna do it. I remember a guy from the chat. He was big on Dent for you know, a short while. We got Turbo. How is Turbo doing? This is our, you know, you know, community coin technically, but it had a big pump over here. Turbo had a big pump, you know, 10x or something like that, pulling right now back. Right now, you know, you had this line over here, then you have this line over here, and right now you are kind of creating this line over here. So it is kind of curving up here towards this side. So maybe eventually it's gonna break towards the upside again. These highs up here, this major level of resistance. You can also already say that without actually looking at the back over here. Okay, you know this is major level resistance, because if it wasn't, it would not have come to these levels up here, right? So it's from before, right? But it is right now major level resistance. Let's go to the weekly time frame. Don't have anything. Let's go to 2 week time frame. It's not actually up there, but you know, maybe it's doubling channel towards the upside up here. Hey Tela, how about Sia? Spelling Jasm, please give me hopium. Okay, let's check out Sia coin. Now Sia coin did dump down big time. Unfortunately, Jewel bought Sia at very, very highs, and look at the dump. I mean, I don't know what this is, but this is never a good thing, man. You know, and over here he had the same kind of thing. You know, this is never a good thing, right? This is a 44% pullback, and then it kind of went sideways up here. Right now, it's 60% pullback. So I have absolutely no clue what's happening, but this is not normal price movement, right? Something is definitely wrong with the chart, and you know, I don't know whether that's, you know, fundamentals, or maybe there is something that's you know, but the price doesn't you know, do these kind of moves. In when you have a pump and dump scam, it goes something like it, right? It goes slowly, then it pumps big time, and then bleeds, right? And then continues going down here, and it pumps big time and then bleeds. This is pump and dump, how the pump and dump scams work, right? They go down and it pumps and it bleeds, right? But these big fast pumps towards the upside, those are the, you know, when they pump the coin and they slowly start selling off, selling off, selling off, selling. And they pump the coin, sell off, sell off, sell off, sell off, sell off, pump coin, sell off, sell, 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 right? So you will often see charts that look like this. They have extremely fast pumps and just bleed forever. Pump, bleed forever, pump, bleed forever, right? And these fast pumps are very hard to get, because unless you buy down here at some kind of bottom, you don't get the pump. So you FOMO in up here, and then you know, bleed until you sell eventually, right? So these are how these things works, right? On the other hand, this is a little bit different. This actually, you know, this you know, slow and steady move towards the upside, and then a big fast dump towards the downside. So what does this mean? I don't know, but you know, this is not normal price movement. Somebody is selling a huge, the only way you can actually get this kind of price moves towards downside, I mean, you know, somebody is offloading a whole bunch of stuff for whatever reason. Maybe just fear and, you know, goes down. But it's you know, if I see chart like that has these kind of movements, whether it is, you know, this move up here, or you know, fast move up and then slow down, like none of these moves are, you know, very comforting, because the moves are actually very, very fast. I mean, 60% down, how much? 4.8. This on a daily candle, like 2 days, less than 2 days, 60% down. It looks very, very shady to me. But it's hard to figure out what's gonna happen next, because right now, yes, you are sitting on the support level, so you can technically just say that, you know, you are on the support level, everything is good, and then it's just gonna do, you know, this move over here, and then continue again towards the upside, do you know, high up here, because there is a trend over here, right? Something like that, I don't know. Right, high and then pull back, but you know, it looks kind of sketchy to me. Now, if you look at indicators down here on daily time frame, we are, you know, resetting those. Weekly time frame up here, pulling back down here towards these, you know, 50 levels up here. So we are not in any kind of territory right now that we are. Over here there was a big, you know, bearish divergence, but right now over here towards upside there is a bullish divergence, right? So there is a very good chance for this pump towards upside. But you know, divergences are actually not for looking whether the stuff is going to go up or down. They're just telling you if stuff is consolidating. I think this thing is still consolidating. So you know, it looks like it's breaking down a little bit, but you know, it's only a small time frames and stuff like that. But I don't know what to tell you, man. It's on the support level. So it needs to hold the support level. Let's see here, monthly time frame maybe. Monthly time frame actually looks okay-ish, I think. It's a little bit extended from the moving averages, but besides that, it's not actually that bad. Momentum is slowly going towards the upside. There is on the monthly is only sitting at 60 levels. Yes, it's a big pullback, but maybe that's how these things work. I don't know. But right now it's sitting on support, you know, and you know, hoping is that support is gonna hold. Where is the resistance level up here? Major one up there. Oh, it's just pulling back below this support, this resistance level. The first resistance level is just pulling back below that. You can see this over here. Let's go to daily time from up here. Yeah, it's just pulling back up here. You see up here how you're trying to break it, and then, you know, over here broke, went up, and then right back below those levels, right? Over here consolidated below those levels, and then tried to go up here, and then pull right back below those levels again. Now, why is the case? I don't know, but you know, over here you can see that they're actually holding the support level. Now, this is daily time frame, so you know, this candle up here must close below the support levels to something, but I don't know. We are in the bull market, so you know, if CI is good, CI is gonna go. But right now it's shady stuff. Spell. How's Spell doing? Spell is actually doing great, breaking the previous level of resistance up here towards upside on a monthly time frame, which is actually very nice. Up here, it is already outside of this, you know, triangle up here, wherever the triangle goes, something like this over here. And right now it goes over here. Did this actually break towards out? Yeah, this actually looks very, very good. So there is actually a channel over here that goes something like this over here, give or take. And this channel actually broke towards upside over here. Right now, the only thing it's doing right now is trying to retest these levels over here on the downside. But the pullback is coming because this probably pumped like something like crazy. Yeah, 100% towards the upside. From open to close 68%. So just like, you know, maybe like Pepe, it's pulling back. It's just consolidating right now. So Spell does look better than that SIA coin, whatever that is, right? Jasm. And Jasm is still consolidating up here. So it did 200% move towards the upside, but still consolidating. I don't like this big move towards the upside up here, but it is bullish engulfing candle, but right back down again. So we're gonna see if it can actually break the resistance levels over here. And let's go to monthly time frame over here. It's 3 months. Now it's hitting the resistance on the head after a 3% move. I don't know about Jasm. It looks like I mean, you know, major level of resistance is hitting that on the head. You know, it's hitting that, trying to break that. I'm a little bit unsure where it's gonna break it on this move, because this already pumped, you know, just this candle. This is a weekly candle. This week up here, this already went up 200%. But you know, like I always say, don't underestimate the bull markets, because bull markets, you know, go like crazy. So, you know, the way I see it right now is just consolidating over here. So Jasm is just still consolidating over here. So we're gonna see how this actually play out. How much was this actually pullback towards the downside? 35% pullback, that's pretty decent. After 200% move, that's a pretty decent move. Now, Bitcoin is actually going a little bit, 5%, 57.2. And you can see up here that right now this move towards downside did not happen. But it's still trying to break on 1 hourly, you know, resistance over here. Still got 11 minutes left for that to close. But you know, it looks good. It is going definitely for the next move, guys. It is definitely going for the next move. I think it wants to tap that line and get inside the box. Dan site web design. How you doing, man? XI red with a triangle in it. XI red. What do you mean red? Just call XI. We don't have a lot of data. Yeah, I did look at XI today. Did I look at XI today? I think I did look at it today. And the way I see it up here, it's right now, you know, trying to break this towards the upside over here. But it's kind of failing a little bit, so it's pulling back over here. So we're gonna see whether this triangle over here, or channel, extortion channel, breaks towards downside up here or towards upside. Right now, after this big move towards upside up here, how much was it from bottom towards top? 57% move. That's actually not that much. We're gonna see whether this actually, you know, is gonna break down, and because the way I see it, you know, everything is gonna go, but you know, the question is when. The question is when. Right, it totally broke the resistance, pumped up here, very hard up here. Still got 5 days left. Right now it's just pulling back. There's probably a better line up here somewhere. Maybe something, maybe it's still in its channel, maybe it hasn't broken anything right now. But it is down to some kind of support level. Let's see over here, this 8-hour time frame, 10 moving average over here. It is breaking this. But right now, major support level should be down here at 1.29. And the previous low highs up here on the daily time frame. Let me see the weekly time frame, don't have anything below that. So we're gonna see if this actually pulls all the way out down here, over here, but I think it just might actually bounce. Again, it is the bull market, so always look at, you know, whatever the closest support level is, that's your best chance to bounce, right? If it's the bull market, you know, it's gonna bounce on literally anything that, you know, breathes. So there is that. Glimmer is still coming. I don't know about that. There are two coins that are GLM, and it's not the same as GLMR, because I used to, you know, mistake these two together. yeah, it's going up nicely, climbing above this 20 moving average, doing this, you know, zigzag pattern up here where it went inside the accumulation zone over here, bouncing up here, pull back. Right now it's coming back with a higher level up here, so it's doing the right thing. And but just like near, this thing also has to, you know, break towards upside over here, break towards upside. So it's nothing is happening until 0.5 and then breakout, and then, you know, the stuff. Good old days, my friend. Larny Lou, yeah, good old days. I'm a little bit tired because I was up actually since, you know, 6 AM or even before that, and I did like 9 videos, and YouTube wasn't, you know, working on my side today, so I got a little bit tired. And we had already Bitcoin daily, and I made a, you know, exclusive Blue Balls altcoin video for the TF Fans Club gang, and you know, so, and I was at work and I just came home, so I'm not really in the mood, you know. But, you know, I thought, you know what, it is the bull market, we need a live stream, evening live stream. I love your charts, man, good to be with you. Nice, $6, thanks Dynasite. I love you too. I know you didn't say you love me, you love my charts, but I'll assume you love me. Immortal, thank you. I thought I could see a bull flag with Jasm for hours. Man. Or whatever that pattern is called. Yeah, it's exhaustion pattern. So if you look at Jasm up here, where's Jasm? If you look at Jasm up here, I wouldn't say it's a bull flag though. Maybe it's a bull flag. Maybe it's the start of the bull flag, right? Let's just clean up everything. This is actually too high. It doesn't go like this over here. Is the midline legit? I don't know. This might be actually it. No. No, it gotta be this one over here, and then this one down here. Maybe close. This looks better. This looks okay-ish. So it might be the bull flag, right? It might be maybe the bull flag over here, right? Whatever. Bull flag. The difference between the bull flag and exhaustion pattern. So you got a price that goes towards upside. Now if it flags towards the downside, that's a bull flag. If it flags towards the upside, that's exhaustion pattern. Okay, so there are two different things. There is a difference between, you know, flagging towards downside and flagging towards upside. Upside exhaustion, downside bull flag. On the other hand, bear flag is when its price goes down and, you know, flags towards the others, you know, towards upside. This is a bear flag. On the other side, when it goes down and continues, you know, flagging towards downside, it's an exhaustion pattern, right? Difficult thing, but you know, you saw that. SIA monthly has very big wicks on the upside. Do more coins have that? SIA has more wicks. SIA coin. Wicks on the upside, like on daily time frame, weekly. What I mean, the only wick I see is over here, but you gotta go like weekly time frame, and then you have. I mean, it's not anything abnormal. Like over here, there is one wick up here, and they continue going towards the upside up here. Besides this wick up here, I mean, it's not abnormal, but it is very big drop. Like it is like 60% drop. I don't know why this happened though. And when stuff has, you know, these kind of big drops, I don't know. This is also on Binance, so it shouldn't be, you know, the volume and liquidity shouldn't be that low. You know, it's not some you know, shitty exchange or anything like that. We are due for a 20% day all across the alts, so they all break the shit at the same time, blue ball style. I don't know, man. I don't know, like, you see already, like, stuff is pumping, definitely, like, it is good, right? But not everything is pumping at the same time, right? Not everything is pumping, like, they are pumping a little bit here, you know, a little bit there, then this section and that section, you know. Wow, Gala actually went up to 24k. Sorry, 5 minutes, like, it just exploded up here towards the upside. Gala exploded, Flock is still 25, Bonk is 12, Shiba 13, Dogecoin 11, Pepe 48. Pepe is still, you know, zigzagging at the blue box. So there is that. That is it. Okay, guys, 53-minute stream. Bitcoin is doing nice. That's why the move. Let's go to 1 hourly up here. Let's see up here how this actually plays out. This actually plays out very, very nicely. So this this channel that we had, you know, that looked broken, and came back up out there again. Can we do a 50-minute time frame over here? Yeah, it looks very, very good. So this thing that actually looked broken right now, we are back above that. You know, the line should maybe go somewhere over here. So this is a channel, right? Give or take. So we are back in the channel after this, you know, couple of weeks on downside. So I definitely think this can get a 58.6 over here, all the way up to 61. We're gonna see how big this move is, but you know, give or take 60 plus minus towards upside. Yeah, you know, this is the target, give or take. Guys, thank you for stopping by. You know what to do with the links, guys. You know what to do with links. If you wanna be a green, have a green name, post emojis, be in live chat about altcoin and stuff like that. Join us in our Telegram group. Do that. We also got a Telegram group, public Telegram group that you might join if you want to do that. That's gonna get really crowded really fast once retail gets here. 2,000-3,000 people. But if you join our private group, you know, chit chat about stuff and stuff like that, you know where to find that link. Guys, thank you for stopping by. I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow, you know, get some good night rest. Tomorrow is gonna be a big day as well. You know, I don't know if it's gonna be a big day or, you know, what kind of day it's gonna be, but you know, it's gonna be a day. Tomorrow is gonna be a day, so you know, we gotta get well rested. Guys, thank you for stopping by. I am gonna click out over here as soon as I stop the music. There we go, and I'll see you around, guys. Bye bye.